This video is on how to farm the Zeta Airdrop 2.0 step by step. It came as a multiple request from my previous airdrop video. It is called Zeta 2.0 because Zeta has already done an airdrop with some persons claiming as high as 2,715 Zeta, which is over $5,000 at the current price. But the thing is that Zeta airdrop isn't done yet. From their Medium blog post, 210 million Zeta were scheduled to be airdropped, and out of these, only 31.5 million have been airdropped already. So there is still 170 million Zeta waiting to be airdropped. So I'm going to show you how to successfully get your hands on some of this airdrop step by step. You need one, a MetaMask wallet, and two, you need 3 Zeta coins. It's about $7. You need 0.008 BNB, which is about $2, so a total of $9. This is all you need. And the steps are: step 1, you download and install the MetaMask wallet. Step 2, go to chainlist.org and add the BNB Smart Chain and the Zeta chain to MetaMask. Now I know that most of you already have MetaMask and BNB Smart Chain, especially if you have been watching this channel. So all you need to do is just to add the Zeta chain. Then step 3, you go to your centralized exchange and buy 3 Zeta and 0.008 BNB. The centralized exchange I use the most is, and I recommend it, is Bybit. If you don't have a Bybit account, then use the link in the description to create one. It's my affiliate link, so you have to support this channel when you do so, and you also get some bonus by using that link. But if your country does not support Bybit, there are several other exchanges you can use. Just go to CoinMarketCap, search for Zeta, scroll down, see the list of exchanges to buy it from, and go ahead and purchase from those exchanges. You can do the same for BNB. And once you have made the purchase, send the coin to your MetaMask wallet. That is the end of step 2. And step 3, go to hub.startchain.com. I will leave the link in the description. What you're going to do here is to complete the tasks to help you claim XPs. These XPs are what you will eventually exchange for Zeta. If you want to complete this task as it's on Zeta Hub, you need over $42 to do so. But the clever way to do it is what I'll be showing you in the practical section. It requires only $9. Also note that Zeta might also update these tasks to include more things. So be sure to check periodically to complete new tasks. Now, let's get to the practical and I'll walk you through the rest of the things there. Before we get there, guys, give this video a like. If I get up to 1,000 likes in this video, I'll drop a second video on 3 airdrops with massive potential that requires 0 capital. So this is the practical. First, I have my MetaMask wallet here. If I click on it, you can see I already have BNB chain and I don't have the Zeta chain here. So I'm going to go to chainlist.org. Now on chainlist.org, here I'll type Zeta. So this is Zeta. I'll first connect my wallet, connect, and I'm going to approve this. Then I've added the Zeta chain. All I need to do now is to switch to the networks. If you go to my wallet now, I have nothing in my Zeta wallet. So what I would do is I'll copy this wallet address. Then I go to my centralized exchange, buy Zeta and send to it. Like I said, 3 Zeta. So network is Zeta AVM. Sending 3 Zeta. So when you're sending, make sure you have enough Zeta to pay for network fee. Okay. Successfully sent. Now the same address is where I will send the BNB to. So on Bybit, the minimum BNB withdrawable is 0.015. So I'll just go ahead and withdraw that. So I have done the withdrawal. If I check my wallet now, you see that I have 3 Zeta here. And if I switch network to the BNB chain, I have 0.015, which is about $4, $4.9. So that is this for this step. So the next step is to go to Zeta Hub. I'll leave the link for you to go there in the description. Once you get here, what you do first is to connect your wallet. So there are different wallets you can connect, but we're using MetaMask. Now my wallet is connected. I have to verify that I'm a human. So I'm going to switch to the Zeta network because I'm on the BNB. Once I've done that, enroll and earn 1000 XP. I'll click on that and confirm the transaction. So enroll is successful. I'm going to refresh this. So yes, so I am in. Now these are the tasks I have to complete. Send Zeta in Zeta chain, then receive Zeta in BTC chain, receive Ether in Zeta chain, receive BNB in Zeta chain. Let's go ahead and perform this activity. Now if I click here to perform this task, I will end up spending like 2 Zeta per transaction, and all I have is just 3 Zeta. So I wouldn't do it that way. What I would do is to go to trade, click on it, then I'll click on Izumi, so on Zeta chain, click on proceed. It brings me here. So I'm going to connect my wallet to Izumi Finance and I'll click on swap. What I want to do first is to swap 1 Zeta for BTC. So this is Zeta. I want to swap 1 for, click on here and change it to BTC. Click swap. So the swap was successful. Now, what I'm going to do next is to swap. I'm going to change this. So I have BTC above. Click on maximum. I'm going to swap the BTC for BNB. So I'll change this to BNB. Approve BTC. Click on swap. Confirm. So successful. So I'll click on this again to swap it. Click on maximum here. I want to swap the BNB now for ETH, Ethereum. Click on approve. Click on swap. Confirm. So this is successful. And the last thing I do is to swap this Ethereum back to Zeta. So click here, select Zeta, click on maximum, yeah, and approve. Click on next, approve. Swap. Successful. So I'm done with all I need to do on Izumi. I'll go back to Zeta Hub. Then I'm going to click on send here. So what I'll do here is to click on this Zeta here and change it to BNB. Then I'm going to send 0.005 BNB from BSC to Zeta. So click on switch to BNB. Switch. Click on send BNB. So this is done. Then what I'll do next is to go to pool. So I'm going to click on Zeta BNB to provide liquidity. So switch to Zeta. So under this BNB, I'll click on maximum. Then I'll click on review deposits. Allow Zeta BNB token. Confirm deposits. Confirm. Now the deposit is successful. So what I'm going to do is to stake my LP token. So come back to this point. Maximum. Review stake. Next, approve. confirm stake. Okay, the staking is done. The next thing I do is go to stake. I want to delegate one Zeta, but I've been trying to load this and it's not loading. Maybe I'll come back to do that. After this, the final thing to do is to send one Zeta to or 0.5 Zeta to another wallet. So what I'll do is that I'm going to create another wallet right now. I'll just add account, new account on MetaMask. Let me call it account 2, which is fine. Great. So I've created a new account. This is the wallet address. So I'm going to go and copy this and go back to my account 1 and come here and send to account 2. I'm going to send 0.5 Zeta. All right, so this is done. Now, staking here doesn't really give you an XP. I'm just doing it as an added, added tax to increase our possibility for the airdrop. So I'm just going to go back and click on NXP. I will then come down to this section and click on refresh activities. So here you can see that all the tax has been performed. So what I will do is just go straight and start claiming my XP. So all those tags you see me perform is what's earning the XP. So the next task is to invite your friends to do so. So when you come here, you can copy this link. So this is your link. You can copy it and send to your friend to do the same. So what you can do is that you can actually send your friend your link and send them also this video link. They can use your link to sign up and watch the video to perform the activity. My link is also in the description in case you want to use my link. So this is simply how it is done. I have claimed XP. So I have 2.5k XP. So every week, what Zeta does, they bring out a new tax. Just come here, complete the tax every week. So to keep on gathering your XPs. Now, what can you do in addition? In addition, you can download the BitGet wallet. Not the BitGet exchange, but the BitGet wallet. In the BitGet wallet, you can see that there is a Zeta, 350,000 Zeta is up for grabs. So you can click on it and just perform the tax here. If you want to receive the reward in the same wallet, what you can do is that when you download BitGet wallet in your phone, you can import the private key in your MetaMask to your BitGet wallet and use that to perform the tax. So it is the same wallet you receive all the rewards. So guys, this is it. I want to give you guys another quick information on how you can earn $100 in performing a free airdrop, but the token you will be claiming has the potential to do a 10x or even 100x. That is 1,000 to 10,000x. It is the token Alpha and the Alvara ecosystem airdrop. I also leave the link in the description, so go there to complete the task there. I've also made the Alvara video, so be sure to watch that video to understand and comprehend what Alvara is, so you see the massive potential.